So hey, the Pioneer SE-CH5T blue headphone. Again, I heard a lot of good thing about it. I heard this is a professional hi-fi headphone. As you can see from the back, it have a 26 ohm, 8 hertz to 45,000 hertz, 100 milliwatt. So these specs are quite good, and 9.7 milli driver. Okay, these specs are quite seems good, as you can see. I mean, the specs seems are quite good. Let me take out from the box. Okay. Okay, here we are out of the box. Okay. Okay, it comes with the manual, cable, everything. Now let me put the box aside, and I wanna tell you something about this one. Because I've been already using this headphone for more than 3 months. The build quality is okay, it's plastic. I'm really disappointed, to be honest with you. I mean, with Pioneer, but for less than $50, do you want the build quality or do you want the sound quality? This thing is plastic. Okay, as you see, this thing is built plastic. There's no doubt. Plastic. There is literally no doubt. But other than that, the quality is amazing. When I'm telling you the quality is amazing, then I'm literally saying the quality of this is amazing. Sound amazing. This is the best sounding quality you can get for less than $50. I mean, what else I can say? This is a must buy. As a proof, you see, I've been using more than for 3 months. As you, I am already abusing it, so you can see. And let's focus on it. Yeah, it's amazing. This is a must buy. The link will be in the description box below. I mean, the wire is good, the quality is really outstanding. The build quality is quite low, it's plastic. I mean, it's like you bought a $10 headphone. That's all I can say, and nothing else I can say. Other than that, this is a quite, if you need a professional look, professional sounding earbuds, you can't go wrong with it. I normally just put in ear like this. I will make another video in which I will show how I put in my ear. So yeah, subscribe.